Hi, I'm Gita Hariani and I'm a Bach Flower practitioner registered with Thriive Art Soul. Bach Flowers. These are 38 identified flowers whose pure essences help us heal any emotional imbalance that arises in our lives. These emotional imbalances arise from feelings of negativity, anger, jealousy, rage, deep despair, loneliness, overzealousness, burnout, whether it's mental or physical, fears, whether they are known or unknown, feeling of being out of control, poor body image, not knowing where my life is going, what direction I should take, inability to make choices, inability to speak up for myself, so on and so forth. We keep facing so many emotional challenges in our life. These flowers, these remedies, help us to bring out the positive state of all these imbalances that we face. It really is a little magical portion because it can be administered to anybody, from a born baby to an adult to an elderly person, even pets and plants. These have absolutely no side effects. So if you or your loved ones are faced with any emotional challenge, do contact me for a personal consultation and a remedy. Thank you.